I'm Neeraj from foxblogger.com, and in this tutorial we will learn how do we configure a maintenance mode or a coming soon page for your WordPress blog or website using a plugin. Now there are various other methods that I've already covered in my earlier article on my blog, which can be used to configure a maintenance mode page for your WordPress. But those methods are a bit manual and it requires a bit of technical expertise to implement them. So using a plugin is recommended for two reasons. One is like if you are not technically so much have an expertise to configure your WordPress things, and you not do not like to play around with the codes. So one is like in that case plugin is recommended, and second, if you are implementing certain or changing certain codes or a template on your WordPress blog, and on another day an update comes for your WordPress, either for WordPress or for your template or a theme, so those changes may get lost. So that is why a plugin is recommended, because it is the job of the plugin to maintain its settings and configurations no matter how much times the template or the WordPress gets updated. And it does not require much of a technical expertise to implement those. So that is why I recommend using a plugin. So now the plugin which I am talking about here is called Minimal Coming Soon or a Maintenance Mode plugin, which is easy to use, which is lightweight, and it is very easy to implement it. So how do we use that? Now go to your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins and click on add new. Once you arrive to your add plugin page, now go to the search button and enter coming soon and maintenance mode and click enter. You will get the first link called Minimal Coming Soon and Maintenance Mode by Akshit Sethi. Now this is one of the good plugins that I've used and personally find it to be very appealing and very comfortable to use. So look, click on install, and then once it is installed, activate it. Once you activate it, go to settings and then click on maintenance mode. So now when you come to the plugins page, you can see there are various sections of this plugin, such as basic, email, design, form, advanced, support, and about. So we will take each and every section and we will do a minimum amount of configuration required to configure this maintenance mode page. So coming to the basics section, here you need to configure the page title, which can be maintenance mode, it can be coming soon, or we are upgrading, anything as per your choice. Secondary is header text, which can be a message that you want to convey to your visitor. It can be sorry we are currently down for a moment, or sorry we are currently unavailable. And the secondary text is the additional information that you want to display to the visitor. So I have written like website is currently going under renovation and they will be back with an upgraded view. Thanks for supporting us. So it can be changed according to your choice and convenience. So leave the rest as it is and click on save changes. Now once it is done, you can go to your email section, which is basically a subscription email box that you want to display onto the maintenance page. If you want to display it, you need to mention over here your MailChimp API key. And if you don't want to display it, you can leave it. Now it is not a compulsory field. Now coming to the design section, it is crucial. Here you need to upgrade your logo, which you want to display onto your maintenance page, and your favicon and your background image. Now background image is optional, which can be replaced by a background color. So either you want to display a background color or you want to display a cover image. So it's up to you. So now the content width is the size of the area where the content will be displayed. Then your content position, it can be center, left aligned or right aligned. Again, the content alignment can be left, right or center aligned. The fonts, the size, text size, and this color of the text. So these are various settings which needs to be changed and configured according to the images and according to the look and feel of your maintenance mode page. So it can be changed, and I would recommend you to play around with these settings till and unless you find a suitable design of your page. And once you're done with this, click on save changes. So that is all the configuration part. Basically other are related to your email and advance and support. So these are not a compulsory part. You can leave it, or if you have, want to play around with this, go ahead, go do it. So now once you're done with all these things, come back to the basic section and here enable the maintenance mode. Now enabling over here will let your visitor view the maintenance page that you have designed currently, but you will not be able to view it currently. Why? Because since you are logged in. So if you want to view what exactly is the look and feel of your maintenance page, I would recommend you to use a separate browser. So you can use Safari, or it can be Firefox, or any other browser where you are not currently logged in. So that will display your maintenance page. So that's all for now. Hope you find information useful, and please do not forget to subscribe us, and do like us on your various social media pages. Thanks a lot.